Let's watch for the smoke to come on and for them to ease the sticks back as they roll up and over the top once more.